honor and privilege to welcome all of you to our second National Annual Law Conference on Law Reform and Development, hosted by the Zambia Law Development Commission. This gathering is not only a reflection of our commitment to legal transformation, but it is also a reaffirmation of our shared belief that we must develop our laws together to ensure that they evolve to meet the needs of our people and the demands of our time.
On behalf of the Chandler Institute of Justice, it is an honor to join you at this year's annual law conference under the theme Sustainable Development, Integrating Environmental Management, Justice, and Digital Innovation. At CIJ, we believe that good laws are the cornerstone of a just society and a powerful driver of national prosperity. This year's theme resonates deeply with our mission, which is to build strong foundations of law and justice upon which nations can flourish.
Law is not an abstract concept. It reflects our values and it responds to our realities and anticipates our future. That is what law does. And for us as a country, as a government, it is our intention to take a chance on our young boys and girls who are the creatives, who are the innovators. Even if we lose money, what we're not going to lose is a talent. I would rather have somebody that fails and tries again, because that money is well spent.
One of the challenges we have, as I mentioned, is not necessarily that we are limited, but because this is a new financing model that has never been explored in Zambia before. And as I stated earlier, the first green bond that was ever issued in Zambia was issued last year, January 2024.
If you look at our legal systems in Zambia, most of them, when it comes to resource use, most of them are centralized. When I say centralized, most of the authority or power is vested in central government. So we're talking about how the communities can benefit from this. It becomes very difficult for the communities to benefit where the authority and the power to make decisions is vested in central government.
Just one thing that stood out yesterday for you, a key takeaway.
I think it was the second panel discussion where there was that emphasis on how the law is key to sustainable development, that if we have good laws, if we have good frameworks, we are able to achieve sustainable development and adequate environmental protection.
The first thing is AI is not here to steal our jobs, but instead it's here to make us become more productive and effective in our jobs. The other thing that I learned is that there is an intrinsic link between the dimensions of sustainability. That's the economic dimension, social dimension.
Also, it's really fun to get insights from people who are actually in the field, who are actually doing the work. It's going to be a key takeaway. From this, I'm going to understand, I'm going to get a more in-depth analysis of how things actually work.
Technologies, particularly AI and all these things, are here to stay. Let us step up and see what we can do.
And we're really learning several timely topics that we need to pay our attention to from management of the environment to us going to a paperless society in order to help reduce the carbon emissions. One part of the conference that I've found really important is the incorporation of us young people in the conversations, because we are the leaders of tomorrow, or actually some say we are the leaders today.
I'm glad that these conversations are coming out, meaning that the citizens are aware, and it won't be too difficult for us to sell this aspect that we need to be security conscious as we put out all this information out there.
Because if you do not have internet access, then virtual courtrooms don't exist. If you do not have a robust, reliable power, electricity system, all those things don't work. If you don't have so you can't just look at one thing. You can digitalize, but still fail to deliver because other facets that are required in order to have this digital system are lacking.
So why I think ICT could improve or even facilitate quality in education, especially higher education, which I'm familiar with, is that, first of all, access to information, the content of courses will be available. The library facilities would be 24 hours. Even experiments for us who are doing sciences.
The outcomes of this conference will not remain within these walls. ZLDC will compile the recommendations and insights into actionable proposals for legislative reform. As we close, I invite you all to look forward to the 2026 ZLDC Annual Law Conference. I thank you and may God bless you all.